Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video today, I want to quickly show you this interesting spring twist air. I got actually spring twist air, but in some really interesting colors. Yep, here it is. Now before you start wondering where did any get this color from, like this rainbow color spring twist air, this came not from Amazon. Guess what? This came from AliExpress. Yes, I went straight to the source, AliExpress. Okay, start by showing you this one. Woo! I love this color. Just look at this already. You know what? You know why I actually got this one? Summer is right around the color. Summer is right around the corner, you know, and I just cannot get any more colorful than this. And actually, to be very honest, the thing is, I do have an event in the summer, which I really plan on rocking this color for. Like, okay, this is the perfect hairdo. Here it is, my spring twist hair. I am so summer ready already. It's the same hair we buy from Amazon, only that it happens to be cheaper when you're buying from AliExpress. Here it is. I got 3 packs of this. 1, 2, and 3. 3 packs. I also got this interesting ombre blonde color. I ain't playing it. Come on now. Come on, just look at this. Now this one is not for anybody. This one is for me. This one is for me. I'm using this myself. Like, I'm gonna be rocking this in the summer. No. Yeah, let me see, early summer. Come on now, you cannot go wrong with a color like this. What other color do I have here? Okay, I do have 6 bags of. This one is a regular color. This is the color T1B350. T1B350, but this one is not for me. This one is for others to use. I think I got like 6 packs of this or so. There it is. T1B350. I don't even know what color they call this one, so I'm just gonna call it. It's blonde. I mean, it's ombre. Like it's like 3 colors. We got like some dark, like a brown. That's like black. Then like a dirty blonde, and then beach blonde. Here, that's it. Brown. It flows into a dirty blonde, and then blonde, like 613 blonde. I can't wait to use this one, and especially this one. So this is the hair. I'm just quickly showing this, and if you're interested in getting this, I'm going to put the links to buying this in my description. I mean, this hair is very cheap. It's very cheap. I mean, spring twist hair on Amazon is cheap, but then it's actually cheaper when you buy it from AliExpress. Like, come on now, come on. I can't remember how much exactly I bought this, but it's way cheaper than buying from buying from China. It's the same hair. I mean, it's the same sellers. It's the same sellers. I'm not gonna mention any seller's name right now. I mean, when you get there, you'll say, oh my god, it's actually the same seller. Yes, it's the same seller. So thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you. I'm just so excited.